Okay, Nina, we need to get serious about planning mom's birthday party. There's so much to do. Serious? It's a party, Tara, not a presidential debate. We just need some balloons, a cake, and boom, party done. You can't just boom a party. We need to plan every detail. Decorations, food, the guest list. Mom's birthday has to be perfect. All right, I am listening. But if it involves folding napkins into swans, count me out. First, decorations. I am thinking pink and gold streamers, fairy lights, and a banner that says, Happy birthday, Queen Mom. What do you think? Sounds good. But what if we add a giant inflatable flamingo? Just to spice things up. A flamingo? Nina, this is not a beach party. Exactly. That's why it will be funny. Picture it. Mom walks in and bam, flamingo in the living room. I am vetoing the flamingo. But how about you take charge of the balloons? You can pick the colors. Oh, balloons! Can I get the ones with confetti inside? And the ones that glow in the dark? And maybe some shaped like unicorns? Unicorns? Are you planning a party for mom or a magical fairyland? Why not both? Alright, now for the food, we need snacks, a main dish, and of course the cake. Snacks, chips, pizza, and candy. Done. Next. No, Nina, we need something a little fancier than candy. How about mini sandwiches, fruit platters, and cupcakes? Mini sandwiches? Are we throwing a party or a tea party for ants? It's called elegant. You will thank me when everyone's complimenting our food. Fine, but can we at least get some nachos? You can't have a party without nachos. Guest list? Who should we invite? Auntie Priya, Grandpa, Grandma, and of course Anya and Zara. Oh, and let's invite Mrs. Sharma from next door. She always brings those yummy brownies. Good idea. Mom loves those brownies. Plus, more brownies for us. What about games? Should we have games for the kids? Definitely. How about a scavenger hunt? We can hide clues all over the house and the backyard. I like it. Maybe we can do a trivia game about mom too. See who knows her best. I already know who will win that. Spoiler, it's me. Alright, we have got decorations, food, the guest list, and games. I think we are all set. See, told you it was not that hard and no swan napkins required. Fine, I will give you that. But we are still not getting the flamingo. We will see about that.